Hey everyone. What is the difference between Palo Santo and white sage? Both are used to cleanse your space, meaning your house. But the difference is that Palo Santo, it only erases the negative energy and it keeps any positive energy, including attachments. Whereas white sage will erase all energies, good or bad. So whenever you use white sage, make sure to replace that good energy either through meditation or by playing high frequency music. These are a couple things you could do, as well as like just be in a positive mood, a mood of gratitude, and whatever you have to do to get to that space, that energy, do that, especially after you use white sage. And then for Palo Santo, well, since it only erases the negative energy, then there's not much more you have to do. You just go with the good vibes. And why would you want to use one over the other? Well, they're both great. White sage is mainly like if it's not your space and you just want to completely erase all energy. Say you're going to Airbnb and you don't want to keep someone else's good energy. I mean, you might want to, but I'm just saying that, you might want to just do a full, thorough cleanse of the space. And that's when you would use white sage. Whereas, like, if it's at your home, perhaps, you've been doing a lot of meditation, you've been doing a lot of high frequency things, and, you feel like there's good luck. But maybe just like one day, one night, you feel something off, then you might want to just go ahead and burn this. Maybe you went out to somewhere crowded. Maybe you went to a party or a bar or something, and something, doesn't feel right or whatever. You can just use this because you're back at home in your safe space, and Palo Santo will be just fine because you want to keep all the other energy that you've been building up. So yeah, that's basically the difference between Palo Santo and white sage and how to use them. I hope that helps, guys. And if you have any questions, please list it below. Blessings.